Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door speaker on your Honda Odyssey. And to do that, we do need to remove the door panel first. So we're going to start off by removing this cap by taking a small flathead screwdriver and prying out on the top and popping that cap off. And you can see here, this is the little tab right here in the top that I pried down on to get the cap off. And then we are going to remove the two Phillips screws in behind there. Next, we need to pop this cap off right here. Same thing, just use your small screwdriver and pop it out. And in behind there is another Phillips screw. Then go ahead and grab a hold of the corner closest to the vehicle and pop that corner loose. And then we're going to work our way down the top, pulling the door panel out and just popping it loose. And then we're going to go ahead and work our way down the sides, just going in behind and popping all the clips loose. And then once it's loose, we're going to come around to the back side. And then we need to feed the door handle out through the front. So just kind of pull on the door handle and unhook it from the door. And then next we need to unplug this wiring harness. Just push on the tab and pull out on the plug. And then just set that to the side. And now we're onto the speaker, and we need to remove this upper screw. Just use a Phillips screwdriver to get that out. And then next I'm going to use a plastic pry tool to pop the top of the speaker loose. And you can use a metal screwdriver, flathead. You just want to be careful because it can scratch your paint. That's why I prefer to use this plastic pry tool. And the speaker tends to be stuck on the top here, so I just put the tool on between the door and the speaker. I give it a thud with my palm of my hand, and that'll break the seal. And then I will pull up on the speaker to release those two bottom pins. And then to unplug the speaker, there's two tabs. There's one on each side. We're just going to push in on those and then pull out. And now the speaker's out. And that is it, guys. That's how you remove your door speaker. Thanks for watching.